Kotoko de no enwie na me mata crash na fe na be se me collect ne mre pa Kotoko enra anom de batu dwa se omo hwe ni mu se ene enkosi efri ne anopa mesi enumre na empanimfo a hwom so be mo green light some of visitors no etimi aba entimi ama dia game no ema so visitors no so entimi aba enti Kotoko official ma twraba se game no nya de omo bo a eyeye
best magam anna me ka sem bi wa ha say you see January mu no October ba and this will be show another commercial Santa Coro company for the release babont and almost sharing senra Wednesday yan twen konkosi Thursday anwumra enwa den beba na me adom January to October kraba beto yen na less than 24 hours and I intimate pen. And that's sorry, you know. Commercial Santa Coro company for and they release about one thing to confirm what they said in their earlier statement. Sir, Commercial Santa Coro players maybe akwa kuduru US. Name of the organizers of the event and some of them catch Commercial Santa Kotoko. Sir, omoma first batch in Indica inko na enkonko du na numero no more secure visas. Ama team na akawa ha say no mo nso akwa join omo no empanifo na ntimi ani so nti saa nhihye no ama so dia Commercial Santa Coro ka release nim se nhihye na ama so dia omo be decide say omo mo game no ene officially Commercial Santa Coro the release about bonten se saa nhihye na empanifo ne omo kan no another penny for the two woman no Sanchez say na ntimi amaso into officially Asante Kotoko ntimi mo game ni man nyi and no any release about bonting but on komo amadi any information am wo and say game no nyame yadoma Saturday ebeba so yes
how many
Commercial Santa Coro players no makwa di hono. For the sake of the partnership, not partnership with Asante Kotoko Derby, but partnership between DC United and the Parliament of Ghana.
Okay.
Any partnership and as a relationship with Ghana Football Association. Said about maintaining that kind of partnership, any relationship between DC United Parliament and the Ghana Football Association. Game in the basso.
How?
Na enye Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Se Kotoko timi ene kwa bo.
Okay.
Na the empenifo be ne se ebeye a select side. Select side involving Asante Kotoko players no makwa di hono. Any former Kotoko players from US.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I see.
Into the club Kumasi Asante Kotoko a pulling out because team ne kwa it is no more Kotoko nkwa. And after no more current players of Asante Kotoko nkwa squad I registered this season enye omo nkwa na ekobo. Enti obi ntimi ma meshe Jesse abra onye registered player for Asante Kotoko. Na onsi akan in the name of Asante Kotoko. Debbie. And in that case, Ghana Football Association and I suggested the Kumasi Asante Kotoko company for. And the Parliament of Ghana, and so then an autumn. As somebody for say they better maintaining that kind of relationship and a partnership between DC United, the Parliament, and then the Ghana Football Association in T. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Jintum. Normal former players in the United States, no. Kotoko has a lot of former players in the US. Stephen Oduru Munyina. Samuel Oseko a lot of them.
Stephen Oduru Munyina Samuel Oseko Samuel Mumpomu Ngodi.
Say and be select side no.
Okay.
So Kwabrucha, legends of clubs near the Adiomo matches. So what you say?
Okay.
Yes. And this is just a friendly game. It's an anniversary game, just a friendly game. The Parliament of Ghana and the Ghana Football Association a pleaded to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It is a Kokoduru Saturday. That's a game in Baswa. Omo Kumasi Asante Kotoko, former players. Fra players ne. So it is going to be Asante Kotoko select side. Asante Kotoko select side. Penkomo Amedi. Se she anse sa. That is what is going to happen, Besmark.